My name's Zach, and I just heard that you need help resetting your NOOK. Don't worry, I'm here to help you, and we're going to do it very simply and fast. So first, I'm going to have you hit the center button, and then go to your settings. Once in your settings, let's say we go down to device info. First one. And here you see erase and deregister device. Now you're going to hit that, and it says this will remove all your digital files, yada yada yada, whatever. But we need to reset the firmware, so just do it. Hit erase and deregister device. This will deregister your NOOK account and erase everything on it, making your NOOK back to factory settings. That's it. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to reset your NOOK to factory settings. Thanks for watching.